Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. Well, actually we're going to be doing two unboxing of two monthly subscription boxes. So I have the June 2025 and July 2025 P.Louise Budget Boxes. Alright, now these are the two boxes. So this is June 2025 and this is July 2025. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so first off, the June 2025 budget box. This is the Make It Rain budget box. So in here we received 4 items. Okay, so first off we have this product here, and this is the Rain Check Hyaluronic Moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, so this is it. It comes in a small jar like this, and of course it's protected. So I will definitely try this out and let you guys know what I think about this. Also, we have the Start Your Rain. I believe this is an eye cream. Yeah, hyaluronic acid eye gel. So we also got an eye gel. So cool. I definitely needed one of those. And then we have the Clean Slate Double Layer Cleansing Water Oil. Okay, I see you. So this is a cleanser. And last but certainly not least, the star of the show. This is the Make It Rain eyeshadow palette. And this is a product, of course, that I was most excited about. So let's open her up. Here she is. Oh. There's a mirror. Okay, I see you. Oh, there's a mirror on both sides. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color story in this. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so I think this might be my favorite, or one of my favorite eyeshadow palette thus far from the budget boxes. Absolutely love. Alright, so the June budget box was definitely a yes. 10 out of 10 for me. That eyeshadow palette alone, absolutely love, absolutely gorge. So this one was definitely worth it. Now the June 2025 budget box was definitely a oh yes for me. Absolutely love it. The palette alone sealed the deal for me. The palette alone. And I also love the fact that we got an eye cream. I definitely needed an eye cream. So yeah, this box was definitely worth it. Now let's get on to the July budget box. Now this box, I have not opened this yet. So we do get sneak peeks on Instagram and whatnot about what is going to be contained in the box. So let's open her up together. Alright, and let's see what I got. Now this is the Wings of Wonder budget box, and she is definitely smaller than the June budget box, but hopefully she is as good as. Alright, so we're opening her up together. Alright, see what's in there. Alright, let's see. Get rid of this. Alright, so first item that I'm seeing here is the Twinkle Tint. Sorry y'all, I'm in the Caribbean and these fowls outside, the chickens are just all day we're gonna hear it, all right? But no worries, I'm working on my sound, and we're soon gonna mute them out, okay? All right, so this is a twinkle tint, and this is a glitter lip balm. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is a glitter lip balm. Took me a minute to open her up, but oh wow, this is cute. This is so cute. Alright, so you open it up. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? It's just full of tiny glitters. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's swatch her. And it's like iridescent. I'm seeing like some gold and ooh, it comes off gold. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a duochrome. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. So definitely have to do a makeup look using this, guys. Oh my goodness. And what I like about this is that it glided on smoothly. You know, it was not patchy. What I mean is, like, with some glitter lipsticks, you will feel it kind of rough, you know, gliding onto your arm. And this, I did not get that. So I'm thinking that when I put it on, it's gonna glide on smoothly onto my lips. So, but I'll let you guys know for sure. But for now, I actually love this, and I can't wait to create that rooster. And I can't wait to create a look with this. Alright, so next we have the Stardust Secrets Magic Moments Away. These are loose, this is a loose pigment set. Yeah, we got pigments in there. Okay, so we got not one, not two, but three loose pigments. Okay, so we have like a champagne color. This is Heavenly Halo. Heavenly Halo. And then we have the gold color, and this is Shining Star. This is how she looks. She's gold. Sorry, let me show you the back of Heavenly Halo so you can see. It's like a champagne. I wouldn't say rose gold. It's more like a bronze. Sorry, it's a bronzy color. And then we have Angel's Whisper, and this is more like a glitter, a glittery whitish color. Yeah, so far I'm loving this box. You know, I'm rebuilding my makeup kit, and pigment is definitely something that I needed in my kit, so I'm really excited. So far I got two products that I don't have. I can't say I don't have like glitter lipsticks, but this one I absolutely love because it's buttery and it goes on, it glides on smoothly onto my arm. Alright, so next up we have the Pops and Shine Go for Gold Hydra Glitter Bubble Primer. Okay, so this is a glitter primer. Absolutely, I am happy. Pop and Shine Primer is a weightless, airy formula designed to create the perfect canvas for makeup. With a soft, bubbly texture, it effortlessly glides onto the skin, delivering deep hydration while smoothing pores for a flawless, silky finish. And y'all, I need this for my pores. With a subtle touch of sparkle, Pop and Shine ensures your skin stays fresh, dewy, and luminous throughout the day. Whether you're after a natural glow or a bold shine, this primer helps you pop, shine, and glow. Alright, okay, I'm excited to try this. You know, even though I do have oily skin and dewy, let's see what it gives, okay? I don't think I own a primer that does dewy or a primer that has sparkle and glitter in it. Let's see what she gives, okay? Next up we have the coconut, what is this? Feel the Sparkle Coconut Scent. Oh, y'all know I love coconut. Coconut is like my favorite fruit, juke, whatever you want to call it. I could Literally, if I was stranded on an island, I could live off of coconut. Coconut water, coconut jelly. Coconut is my name, actually. They call me Coco Coconut. So yeah, definitely I just feel I'm gonna love this. Coconut scents, golden drip. What is it? This is a glitter body oil. Oh, you go, P.Louise. Oh, and I am loving this. It is, oh, okay, this definitely has to shake. Oh, let's shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, definitely. Okay, so this is more of like a bronzy color, which will look fab on my dark skin. So yeah, I'm glad we did not get a white silver shade. Alright, so I definitely have golden undertones, so I love the fact that we got this color. I can see this collection coming together. Absolutely, a lot of glitter. I think this will be perfect for like a New Year's look, for instance, or if, you know, there's this super duper black tie event, this could also work. Or just, you know, just an everyday, not everyday, not an everyday natural look, a glam look. You know, you can use the pigments to make the look pop. Exactly, I did this look. I absolutely loved how they came out, you know. But if I had opened this box before and seen those sparkles, I think it would have added a little more oomph to this look. Let me know what you think, okay? Is it great like this, or we need a pop of gold? Or no, I think it will be the bronze, because this is more like a coppery color. So the last product is the Whatever the Feather palette for eyes and face. Okay, that's cool. So we got another eyeshadow palette, guys. All right, she's cute, she's compact, and she's cute. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Y'all seen this sparkle? Oh. Oh wow. And we got, of course, a mirror on top as well. Oh my goodness. These colors are just beautiful. So this is the eye and face palette. I'm gonna swatch one of these. They don't have names, but like we swatched this gold here on my arm. I'm just gonna swatch this. I'm gonna swatch these two up here. Let's see. Alright, let's go in with the gold. I didn't pick up much, but I should have. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I want to know what's the difference between these two whites. So let's do that. Oh my goodness, shut the back door. Oh my goodness. All right, so I got one more finger. I'm gonna swatch. All right, I'm gonna swatch this gold underneath just to see the difference between the two golds. All right, so these are just one light swatch, but you can see the colors. I didn't swatch all the colors. So this on top here is the lipstick, and then these are the two big colors here, and then these are two small colors that I swatched there for you guys. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The shimmer and these, oh my goodness, there is shimmer, there is glitter. It is, oh my goodness, y'all, this is crazy, y'all. So absolutely gorgeous. I am so impressed with these two boxes. Oh my goodness, they are two completely different boxes and I love them. I definitely feel that I'm getting my money's worth from these products. I only have one face but I will get around to creating makeup looks with these products. Let me know which one. Let me know down in the comment section which box you would like to see me make a look with first. Of course, there are budget boxes that I did not review, only because we are now in the month of August, so I didn't really see the need to create videos for February, March, April, May. Oh my goodness, that's 4 boxes that I did not create videos for you guys. I am so sorry, but if you do want to see those boxes, let me know in the comment section down below, and of course your girl is gonna come back and I will do those past boxes for you guys, okay? Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share as it helps to grow this channel, alright? Until next time, bye-bye.